You want to be a social media boss, but you don't know where to start. Do you want to build a brand and become famous in your industry? Do you want to find out how to make money with social media? If so, you've come to the right place. In the digital age we live in now, social media is important for businesses and people with a lot of impact of all sizes. With more than 3 billion active social media users around the world, there's never been a better time to use these networks to build your business and brand. Even though social media is very famous now, most people still base their strategies on things like likes, shares, and followers. If you want to use social media to become well known in your niche and make more money, you must use methods that work and are easy to implement. Social media marketing is a beginner's guide for entrepreneurs and would-be influencers who are tired of wasting money and time and want to learn social media marketing without BS and tactics that only work if you are Coca-Cola or Bank of America. If you read this book, you will learn the 3 most important marketing principles and why they are so important when planning a social media action. You'll find out how to put together your own business plan to win in the market. All the metrics and tools you need to track the success of your business and beat the competition in record time. The do's and don'ts of every social media platform. Find out how to use social domination by learning the secrets of Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, and other sites. The 5 keys to writing a good copy in 2023. Find out how to figure out what your target is thinking and how to use their feelings to sell more of your goods. And much more. Even if you don't think social media is for you or your business, this book is what you need. It will help you plan your next social media strategy from A to Z. Hector Sullivan's Social Media Marketing. The step-by-step crash course to master social media marketing, build a brand online, and increase the ROI of your business is a complete guide to social media marketing. The book has 3 parts, and each one is about a different part of social media marketing. Part 1. Understanding Social Media Marketing Chapter 1. Introduction to Social Media Marketing. This chapter gives an outline of social media marketing and talks about the benefits of using social media to promote your business. Chapter 2. The different types of social media. This chapter talks about Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn, and YouTube, among other social media sites. Chapter 3. Understanding your target audience. This chapter talks about how important it is to know your target group and how to find out what they want and need. Part 2. Building your social media strategy. Chapter 4. Setting your social media marketing goals. This part talks about how important it is for your social media marketing to have clear, measurable goals. Chapter 5. Creating a social media marketing plan. This chapter gives you a step-by-step plan for making a complete social media marketing plan. It has tips for finding your target audience, choosing the right social media sites, and making content that your audience will like. Chapter 6. Creating engaging social media content. This chapter looks at the pictures, videos, and text-based posts that do well on social media. It gives tips on how to make material that is interesting and drives engagement and sales. Part 3. Executing your social media strategy. Chapter 7. Growing your social media following. This chapter talks about the different ways you can grow your social media following, such as through paid ads, marketing to influencers, and natural growth. Chapter 8. Engaging with your social media audience. This chapter talks about how important it is to interact with people on social media and gives tips on how to answer comments, messages, and reviews. Chapter 9. Measuring and analyzing your social media performance. This chapter talks about the different metrics like reach, interest, and conversions that you can use to measure how well your social media is doing. It tells you how to look at your data and make decisions based on the data to improve your social media plan. Chapter 10. Scaling your social media marketing efforts. This chapter talks about the different ways you can grow your social media marketing, such as through hiring, automation, and building a team. Hector Sullivan gives a full guide to social media marketing in his book, Social Media Marketing. The step-by-step crash course to master social media marketing, build a brand online, and increase the ROI of your business. The book talks about a lot of different things, like how to understand the different kinds of social media sites and how to make interesting content, as well as how to grow your social media following and see how well you're doing. This book is a great resource for anyone who wants to do well with social media marketing, whether they are a marketing professional who wants to improve their social media plan or a business owner who wants to make their company more visible online and make more sales. Thanks for watching our Amazon book review. If you found our review helpful and you're interested in checking it out for yourself, we've included a link to it in the description below. By clicking on that link, you'll not only get more details about it on Amazon, but also support our channel at no cost to you. So go ahead and click that link to grab your copy of the book and dive into an exciting reading journey. Happy reading, and thanks for your support.